SkyBell is a video doorbell that allows you to answer your door from a smartphone, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go.
Looks like a solicitor.
When a visitor presses the button, SkyBell sends a live video feed to your smartphone so you can see, hear, and speak to the person at your door.
Hi Kate, it's me.
Hi Sarah. So happy you're here.
SkyBell is more than just a doorbell with a video camera. It's a smart device with exclusive features that give you even more convenience and control over answering your door.
SkyBell delivers additional security through a motion sensor that alerts you when someone is at the door. With a 1080p camera and full-color night vision, you'll see your visitor in crystal clear high-definition video, day or night. SkyBell's Wi-Fi is always on, allowing you to start a live video feed directly from the app so you can monitor your front door at any time. SkyBell gives you more safety, convenience, and control while answering your door.
The idea was born from everyday situations. I mean, don't you wish you could know who's at the door before you stop what you're doing to answer it? Want to see who's there when you're not home but the kids are? And what about when it's dark? Well, we're making all that possible, and we're doing it with minimal design and cutting-edge technology. So how does it work? Oh, hold on. Someone's at my door. Hey, John.
Hey, Andrew. Want to go to the beach?
Yeah, I'm already down here. Why don't you come down to our usual spot?
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We're excited about SkyBell and connecting your world, starting with the front door. On sale now at skybell.com.
Don't you wish we lived in the future where we didn't have to sacrifice our coziness to figure out who's at the front door?
Well, the future is calling, and it's called Remobell.
Yes.
Remobell. It's a wireless video doorbell.
Quickly install on your front door, your porch, the garage you share with your annoying neighbor, or any other weird places you might want to keep an eye on. Installation is easy. Just screw this baby on like this, and you're good to go. Seriously, that's it.
Guess what? The perfect dress I ordered online is finally coming. And despite my zen-like patience, I can't help but check tracking info every few minutes and sprint towards the door every time I hear a sound.
But now with Remobell, false alarms, stolen moments, and crushed dreams are a thing of the past. It will let me know the exact second that my package arrives at the door by giving me a motion sensor notification.
Quickly deal with the outside world, your way, on your time.
Hey, well, I'll be out in a minute.
Yeah, no problemo. I'm just chillaxing.
No.
Hey,
Sweet, it's hot. Yeah. Oh, shoot.
Introducing Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell brings convenience, monitoring, and security to your most valuable asset, your home. Ring streams HD video and audio seamlessly over wireless internet to smartphones and tablets. Ring makes it convenient to see and speak with whomever's at your front door, anytime from anywhere.
Hello?
Delivery for Aaron Parker?
Thanks, you can leave it at the door.
And Ring's configurable motion detection makes it easier than ever to monitor your home.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's unique cloud recording feature, you can easily access, rewind, or share your video events. And when it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello, sir. I'm selling cases of Primo Clean. Can I put you down for a box?
You know what? We're kind of busy right now, bathing the kids. Maybe some other time.
Home burglaries are a worldwide epidemic. Traditional security systems let you know after someone has entered your home, and most home burglaries start with a simple ring of the doorbell to see if anyone's home.
May I help you?
Oh, good afternoon. We're just in the neighborhood doing some free tree trimming estimates.
No, thank you. I'm not interested.
Ring helps families secure their homes from unwanted visitors and discourages burglars from ever entering. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide array of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. The doorbell's 180-degree HD camera lets you monitor more than just your doorstep, during the day or at night. And you can easily customize Ring's motion detection sensors through the Ring app to exclude areas like busy nearby sidewalks and roads, so you only get notified when it matters. It's easy to install the Ring Video Doorbell with the included mounting hardware. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Simply attach the included mounting bracket to a flat surface. Then place Ring on the bracket and secure Ring with a proprietary security screw that prevents theft. Should someone steal your Ring doorbell, we'll even replace it for free. With dual power options, you can power Ring with a built-in rechargeable battery, good for over 12 months of regular use, or hardwire Ring to your existing doorbell. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home. Order your Ring Video Doorbell today at ring.com.
Introducing Greet, the smart doorbell from Zimoto that's easy to set up and easy to use. Answer your door from anywhere. See who's there and talk to them through your smartphone.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Receive video clip motion alerts on your phone, even when somebody doesn't ring the doorbell. You can also record a voice message to play for visitors when you can't or don't want to answer the door. Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent. Missing a call doesn't mean missing a visitor. With Greet's built-in storage, you can replay several weeks' worth of recorded clips from motion alerts and missed visitors. Greet lets you create alert schedules to choose when you are notified, and you can even turn off your chime for a peaceful night. Greet by Zimoto.